also hear words of gratitude from the graduate, Nelson L. Torres III.
To our beloved principal, ever supportive teachers and staff, family, and most especially our parents, classmates, and friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all of you. Today is a momentous day for all of us because we have just ended an episode in our lives, elementary school life. Now we are about to start a new chapter of our journey, high school life. Graduation is a time of reflecting on the past and looking onward to the future. It is a time that we, as graduates, get together for one last hooray before moving on to bigger and more adventures in life. I started studying here at Don Mariano Catholic College in grade 5, and that was when the pandemic early started. The past 2 years have been tough. COVID-19 surfaced and made a whole new level of change in our daily lives. And our usual activities and interactions changed vastly. However, we are grateful amidst the pandemic because we overcame 2 years of hardship and we enjoyed those 2 years of joy of schooling for us. To still learn and not put 2 years to waste. And now here we are, ready to graduate. We work hard to get to this point, but we didn't do it by ourselves. We owe this to the ever-understanding and caring people. To our teachers, thank you for sharing the time, talent, and knowledge that instilled in us. You took the time to explain the lessons, discuss them online with so much effort for us to understand the lessons well. Thank you very much. To our principal and all the office staff, thank you for keeping things running smoothly and remaining steadfast despite the pandemic. Our parents, the gems in everybody's life. Without the love and support of our parents, a child cannot succeed in their life. They have carried us on their backs for us to keep soaring high. Our success is yours. Day and night, you never stop caring for us. You have endured everything for us. You are the reason we are here today. We love you. Dad and Mom, I love you. And also, to you, my classmates, thank you for being part of my elementary journey. I may not know of your names, and some of you might not also know me personally, but I'm happy that we have gone through this together. Let's be reminded that we walk in our own time. Life is not a race, and so is a success. We may encounter difficulties along the road, but remember, there is no easy way to achieve our goals. We must do the hard work, and if you feel like a path we are following is not leading us somewhere. Let's not be afraid to pave new roads, open new doors, and clear new paths. We may stumble many times again, but dare to stand up again. Once again, to those who have made a difference in our lives, we say infinite gratitude to you. Till we see each other again, thank you and God will bless you.